You don't mind chill, do you? Well, I'm just gonna put my pole right there. And I'm gonna release this line there and just hopefully we catch a fish. My line's back there. You wanna see my line?
No.
Okay. Any chance I can leave my feet in the water? Okay, I think we're fine. Or maybe right here. Okay. Alright, let's do it. Okay, lean forward and see what happens. Is it better? Yeah, let's try. Like go towards the end a little bit where the flippers are. Maybe let's see if that works. Is it safe? Okay, whatever you do, don't you fall. Okay, try it. Huh, that's better. Why didn't you think about that earlier, sweetheart?
What do you mean? I was like this at the start.
Oh.
And you said not to.
You don't mind if I chill here, do you? Oh. Just let me know if you need assistance paddling.
I don't need any.
Okay. Oh wow, look at that rain on the left. Right there, you see it? Up there. Yeah, I don't know if the people on the YouTube can see it, but rain's coming down over there, I think. What if I put my feet in the middle? Does that help with the balance? Like this? And at least it's out of your way. I sure hope I catch a fish. Doesn't seem to be doing much of catching. My line's not moving. Whoa! Okay. Yeah, as you can tell, this is our first time. Does that make me lazy if I don't paddle?
Yeah.
My line is like way out there. I might have to change the bait though. You need a little booster? Wait, didn't we have another paddle I could have attached to this? Or no? Was this it? I can't remember.
It is the one.
Oh, that is. Oh, I thought you had like a little small one or one small blue one.
But it's not a paddle.
Okay, do it. You gonna try to stand up? I dare you. You gonna try to stand up? Okay. No. Just no sudden movement. Hey, look what Kaylee's doing. Whoa.
Totally not shaking.
Okay. I hope we're doing this right. Oh God. Yeah. Let's just sit down. That was good. Wait, why? Are you getting tired?
I'm not paddling anymore.
What? What am I supposed to do? Put this back on?
Yeah.
Okay, let me try. Oh, there's tons of water in there. Whoa, it's squirting all along. because we didn't bring the Allen wrench to tighten this. Okay. Hello. What a peaceful lake. Oh look, I'm moving pretty smooth, huh? Yeah, you're like right on the edge of adventure. Hello. Yeah. I don't know why this fishing pole keeps going closer to me. Maybe I'm doing it to myself. I have no clue. Let's go over there and try to fish. Oh wait, there's somebody over there. How do you know that? Maybe they're catching fish. Maybe we should ask them if they can give us some fish. Maybe it was a bad idea to bring this pole. I don't see a single fish coming out. Let me see. No, don't look like it, sweetheart.
What?
I'm not catching any fish. I want fishy. Hello. I guess that works too. They don't like my minnows.
You're all the way, the line's all the way over there. Behind you.
Oh, can you reel it in for me then? Thanks.
Where's the minnow? Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, where is it?
Yeah, right there.
I forgot how to use a fishing pole. I don't know why.
You might have to move this out of the
Ever
way
since
though.
the strap was here,
Yeah,
I forgot
yeah,
how
yeah.
to use it.
While you do that, I'm gonna see if I can, in my wet bag, if I can manage to get some type of other bait. If it's not soaking wet. Oh, that's my license in there. Shh. Can't lose that. Oh, wait a minute. What's in here? That's soaking wet there. So on the side, I need some real bait. What's in here? Oh! I got some serious bait. When you reel that in, we're gonna try this. It says bluegill bait. Try that. Oh look, they're already done. Whoa, careful now.
I didn't know it was already up.
Whatever you do, you don't hit me, okay? Let me see. Let me see the line. Oh, bring it back a little. Pull it back. I'm gonna change it to something different. Maybe they don't like these things. See this? So long. And next thing you know, big fish eats it. Okay, we're using some really small hook. So, and just a glob of this stuff here. Why not? I don't even know if it's gonna stay on here.
Oh, they're all over there now.
Okay. Okay, now close off our bait. Okay.
And when I'm near the stone,
Okay. Let's see. Let's fix this. Oh. Okay.
Okay, well I'm gonna go ahead and start heading towards them.
No, not yet.
Alright, turn.
Not yet. Oh. Not yet. Let's see what we can catch. Let me drop the line all the way at the bottom. There, I hit bottom. Okay, hold on, just let it coast. Just let it coast.
Whoa.
What?
See those
Yeah,
hurricanes in the
just
water?
let it coast. Because maybe the fish is getting scared. No, Kelly, stop paddling.
So white.
Huh? Yeah.
Blue now. Blue is
What? How did this go down?
I put it down.
Oh, okay. I guess that works.
Why you went up?
No, no, it's fine. Oh! No, I thought I had something. Come here. Hey, you're still scaring the fish, sweetie. Okay, slowly paddle forward. Towards them, I guess. Don't tell me they're done already.
Okay.